In this video, you'll learn how to set up Teamviewer on PC in just a few minutes, so you can start using it for remote support, work, or helping friends with their computers. First, make sure Teamviewer is already installed on your Windows PC. If you haven't installed it yet, go to teamviewer.com/download, get the Windows version, and run the installer to complete the setup process. Next, open Teamviewer on your computer. The first time you launch it, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen that shows your Teamviewer ID and password. This is what others will use to connect to you. Now, sign in to your Teamviewer account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Signing in unlocks features like saved contacts, easy device access, and the ability to manage multiple computers from one place. After that, configure your settings. Click Extras, then Options, to customize your Teamviewer experience. You can set up unattended access, change your security preferences, and adjust display and audio settings to your liking. Once everything's configured, test your setup by connecting to another computer. Enter the partner's ID, click Connect, and type the password when prompted. You're now ready to control any device remotely. And that's it. Your Teamviewer is now fully set up on your PC, ready to handle remote sessions like a pro.